What's going on? Today we got a quick unboxing of some keycaps. I was sent out by a company called Keytok. They sent me two sets. Both are Godzilla themed, so I'm pretty excited to check these out. This is a blind unboxing, so we're doing things a little bit different than normal here, but I figured that this would be a fun way to do it and get my honest reaction and everything like that. They sent out two full sets. One is OG Godzilla and one is Mecha Godzilla, which I'm pretty excited about seeing. I think both could be pretty cool. They also sent out two Artisan caps that match the sets. Uh, we'll do these at the end. I kind of already know what these look like, but they're pretty dope. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, these are from a company called Keytok. I will throw some links in the description as well in case you want to check them out for yourself if you're a Godzilla fan or just a keycap collector such as myself. But yeah, I think we'll start with the classics and then we'll go to the mechas. Yeah, let's get into it. Up first, classic Godzilla. Nice packaging. Like I said, very nice packaging. I really like this box. I appreciate when they use the little magnets on the sides like that. Always a plus. Paper. Oh yeah, these are dope already. First layer. Oh, those are just some, includes just some blanks too, which is always nice. In case you've got a keyboard like one of the Razer 75s that's got kind of funky sizes. There's all your number keys, page up and down, deletes, vertical enter, all that good stuff. A ton of different blank shift sizes. Love that they include all these because that's something that I much appreciate, being someone that has a ton of different keyboards. And as you know, there's a lot of different variations and cap sizes. And some people use weird proprietary standards that aren't too common. So definitely appreciate including a bunch of blanks and various size shifts and space. This looks like this is going to be all of the novelty caps, which it looks like there's a pretty good variety of too. Some cool little novelties there. So if you're just a fan of OG Godzilla movies, I feel like they did a pretty good job of capturing that kind of vibe and feel in these. I'll give you another look at the other ones here in just a second as well. And then, of course, they include a little keycap puller. Here's a better look at the different shifts, spaces, and blank keys. They got some arrow keys there. I like the addition of kanji. Is that technically kanji? I don't know the correct name, but I like that it's got both. That's super dope. Definitely goes with the old school feel. I like the shape of these too. They're kind of different. It's not really like an XDA, but it does have kind of a curved top. Interesting shape on them, but I think it'll look cool. So those are pretty dope. Let me know what you think about those in the comments. If that's something you would rock. I think they're pretty cool. I need to find what board I want to put them on. And I guess we'll do the Artisan cap that comes with the OG collection here. So the grand reveal. I know what this one looks like, and it's super cool. So it comes again in a nice little box with a magnet. Hopefully you can see that okay. The cool thing about this, check this out. It opens. So you can bite stuff. Super cool design. Love these. Definitely going to put these on a board too. I just got to figure out which one I want to put them on, because I've got, as many of you know, a whole lot of options when it comes to keyboards. Pretty cool little Artisan though. I dig that. It matches the set quite well, so I think that'll look super cool. All right. So there's that one out of the way. The Mecha Godzilla. Great artwork on the boxes as well too. I really like whoever designed this, I feel like did a good job. This company, Keytok, also has some other really cool keycaps. Like I said, I'll link their website and socials in the description, so you can check those out if you want. They've got a lot of cool stuff. I have no idea what these ones look like, so this should be fun. Oh, those are dope. Love that. Very, very cool. The old school kind of mecha. It's like futuristic, but like vintage futuristic, I guess, if that makes sense. Really like that escape key too. That's cool. And the combination of grays. Oh, are these? Oh, yeah, and they're shine through. I didn't even realize that. So dual tone shine through. I like the red and the kind of like clear gray. I feel like that'll be a super cool effect, and it kind of lends to the mecha. I didn't realize they were like that. That's super dope. Yeah, and the blue ones are the same way. Clear gray with kind of the blue center. Their own kind of proprietary shape too, which is nice. Those are dope. Yeah, and they're all like that too. They're all shine through. How cool is that? That's awesome. I think these will look sweet. All right, let's check out. Oh. So here's your space bars. Enter, shift, page up, page down. These are super cool. I think I like these more than the OG ones, just because they're shine through and they've got a very different look. Like I've never seen a set of keycaps quite like that. And just these like metal plate filler kind of caps. Super, super dope. All right. I got to see the novelties. Ooh, that funky enter is dope too. Okay, so they've got a whole bunch of single control alt shifts. Trying to get the lighting to work for me here, but it's not working real great. So it seems like not quite as many variations of novelty caps on this one, maybe. Oh, my bad. Maybe not as much variation in the novelty caps for this particular one, but they're still all pretty cool, and they definitely match the vibe quite well. And I do appreciate that they include a whole bunch of just single size. All right. Yeah, and then another keycap puller. But yeah, I appreciate the single size stuff because there is some boards out there, especially some 75% that have funky sizes. So it's nice to have a lot of options as far as that goes. We'll go one more pan over for you here. Trying not to spill these everywhere. I really like these trays they come in too, because some keycaps you buy and you just get a box of them and they're all bouncing all over the place and it's not organized, which is always frustrating when you're trying to put them on a new board or whatever. So greatly appreciate their packaging in general. Quite nice. I think these are probably my favorite out of the two. I really, really like the design of just the regular keys. Let me put this down and see if I can get my camera to focus. Just the fact that they're shine through and they're kind of like almost have two layers there. There's some 3D shape to them. Silver Legends. Those are super cool. All right. There's the mechas. And I assume this will be similar to the other one. I haven't looked at this one. So let's check it out. Okay. Mecha Godzilla head. Oh, it is snug in there. Well. Okay. All right. There we go. Ooh, that is super dope. Let me get the camera to focus. So, similar to the other one, his mouth opens. The cool thing about this one is the bottom of it is clear red. So it's shine through. So if you have RGB on your keyboard, it's going to illuminate like the tongue, I guess, portion. And it looks to be like his eyes as well. I might have to grab a board to check that out real quick. That one is also super dope. Matches the set well. That's pretty awesome. That is cool. And I feel like it'll look cool, even just the shine through, the RGB shining through like his teeth and stuff and his eyes. I feel like that'll look dope. There you have it, the mechas. Again, let me know what you think in the comments. If this is a set you would rock. If you want more information, happy to answer any questions. If I miss something, which I often do, just let me know. I'm going to grab a board with RGB so we can see the shine through on some of these. I'm not going to install the full set yet because I'm not sure what board I want to put them on. But I do kind of want to see the effect. So I'm just going to grab a board that has RGB so we can kind of check it out real quick since a lot of these are shine through. They look super cool though. This is just with kind of like a blue white RGB. So there's the regular keycaps. I just replaced a couple of them. Having trouble focus. I'll turn the light back on here in just a second. And there is the Artisan, which looks super cool. The eyes light up quite well. I'm a little surprised they light up so good. If you open his mouth, of course, it's pretty bright and it glows through well. But even with his mouth closed, you get a good shine through on the teeth, which is super cool. The two-tone keycaps look super dope. There's a look at them with lights on. They still look good. You still get a bit of the shine through under bright lighting. Obviously, I've got like a spotlight here for when I film videos and stuff, so it's pretty bright, but good looking keycaps. I really like this mecha set. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one. Again, these have been the Godzilla keycaps from a company called Keytok. And and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.